Ready to redefine your beauty routine? Discover the top makeup products that enhance your natural glow and address the unique needs of mature skin, because fabulous at 50 and beyond starts with the right beauty essentials. Here are 15 makeup products designed for women over 50, each with a brief description. 1. L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation. A lightweight foundation that hydrates and provides buildable coverage for mature skin. 2. IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. Full coverage concealer that brightens under eye circles without settling into fine lines. 3. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. A concealer that blurs imperfections and provides a smooth, youthful finish. 4. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. A finely milled setting powder that blurs pores and reduces shine. 5. Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. Long-lasting foundation that offers full coverage without caking. 6. NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. A hydrating concealer that provides natural coverage while brightening the skin. 7. Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation SPF 15. A breathable foundation that delivers natural-looking, full coverage. 8. Clinique Even Better Makeup SPF 15. A foundation that evens skin tone and offers sun protection, ideal for mature skin. 9. Lancome Reenergy Lift Makeup Foundation SPF 27. A lifting foundation that provides medium to full coverage with a radiant finish. 10. MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot. A cream eyeshadow that lasts all day without creasing or fading. 11. Dior Backstage Rosy Glow Blush. A universally flattering blush that adapts to your skin tone for a natural flush. 12. Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil. A fine-tip brow pencil that fills in sparse areas for natural-looking brows. 13. L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Anti-Feathering Lip Liner. A lip liner that prevents feathering and enhances lip definition. 14. Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color. A creamy eyeshadow stick that glides on smoothly and is easy to blend. 15. Elizabeth Arden's Ceramide Ultra Lipstick. A hydrating lipstick that provides rich color and reduces the appearance of fine lines on the lips. Thank you so much.